Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 10, chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise 3.6, question 1. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. So here we are given a pair of equations are given to us. We have to reduce them to a pair of linear equations. So this is not linear equations. You know linear equations means the general formula in the introduction part I have explained to you. Linear equations, x should not be in the denominator. It has to be simple equations where the exponent of the variables will be 1. So this we have to convert them into a simple equations, that is pair of linear equations. In the introduction part I have explained to you ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is a general formula. In the place of a, any number can be, but then x has to be this way in multiplication with the number, and the exponent should be 1. So there should not be any other exponent, or the power should be. This is, we call it linear equations. So pair of linear equation means two pairs. Same it is, but then two pairs. This is A1, this is A2, this is B1, B2, C1, C2. So this we call it a pair of linear equations. In the place of A, B and C, numbers can be, but variable has to be this way. But here if you see, the variables are there in denominator. So we have to convert them first to a pair of linear equations and then find the solution. Finding solution means finding the value for x and y. So let's do in this video, we will do the first part of the sum. So this is our first sum. So how to convert this, I'll show you a rough form. See, this is 1 upon 2x, right? So this can be written like this, 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x. This way can be written. So same way 1 upon 3y can be written 1 upon 3 into 1 upon y. Now this 1 upon x, for example, if 1 upon x, if I consider a, and 1 upon y I consider b, then what happens? In the place of 1 upon x I will write a, and in the place of 1 upon y I will write it b. So now when I multiply, it will come simply a upon 2, this will come simply b upon 3. So that's how we are going to write here. Okay, so we will consider, let 1 upon x is equal to a, and 1 upon y we consider as b. Then it becomes easy for us, as I showed you. So now 1 upon x place we will keep it a, wherever 1 upon y is there we will keep it as b. So in this equation, so let's put it. So this will be then a upon 2, because I showed you here. So I showed you here, it will become like this. When you multiply, a will go up and the 2 remains. So same way we have to write it. So this becomes a upon 2 plus, so this 1 upon y we have to keep it b. So then it will become b upon 3 equal to 2. So same way this also we can do it. So same way 1 upon x we will keep it as a. So it will become a upon 3 plus 1 upon y we keep it b. So it will become b upon 2, which is equal to 13 upon 6. So now what we will do? Now we will take the LCM here, because denominator here we have 2, here we have 3. So here 3 is there, here 2 is there. So we will take the LCM. So to take LCM, what we will do? Both the side I'll multiply with 3, and here both the side I'll multiply with 2. So then if 3, if I multiply here, it will become 3a, and this will be 3 into 2 will be 6, plus here both the side multiply with the 2, then I'll get 2b, and here it will be 6 equal to 2. So now this is in common, so 3a plus 2b upon 6 equal to 2. So 3a plus 2b. This 6 comes this side, it will go to multiplication. So 6 2s are 12. So this becomes equation 1. So same way we have to do it here also. So we will take the LCM. So with 2 I'll multiply both the side. I'll get 2a upon 6 plus here I'll multiply with 3 both the sides. So 3b upon 6. 13 upon 6. So this I'll get 2a plus 3b upon 6. 13 upon 6. So this 6 goes this side, go to multiplication, then gets cancelled. So 6 will get cancelled. So I'll have 2a plus 3b equal to, this goes here, right? Then 6 will get cancelled. So I'll have 13. So this becomes equation 2. So now it is in proper linear equation. So now we can use any method to find out the value of a and b. Then we will put it into x and y. So first look at this equation. Here 3a, here 2a, here 2b, here 3b. So if you can do any method, substitution method you can do, or elimination method you can do, or cross multiplication you can do. I am going to do cross multiplication. So by cross multiplication method. So what we'll do, we have to write the equation properly. So for cross multiplication, 3a plus 2b, this 12 we have to bring it inside. So minus 12 equal to 0. Then second, 2a plus 3b, 13 will come inside. So minus 13 equal to 0. So now what we will do, we have to write, here we have a. So we'll write a here equal to, variables are here a and b. So we'll not write x. The place of c will put 1. So when I write about a, I'll hide a, and then from first I'll multiply from left to right. So 2 13s will give me 6, 2, minus is here. So minus, then 3 12s, minus is here, I'll put minus 6, 3 1s are 3, 36. Okay, now for b. For b, I have to hide b part of it. Hide the b part of it. Then now from right to left side. So 12 into 2 will give me 24. Minus is there, 24. Then 13 into 3 will give me minus. Here also minus is there, minus 13 into 3. 9, 39. So now about the c, so I'll hide the third part of it. Then now from left to right. First I did left to right, then I did right to left. Now I'm doing left to right. So 3 3s are 9 minus 2 2s are 4. Okay. Once you finish this part of it, let's simplify. So minus 26, minus into minus plus 36. Here b, minus 24, minus into minus plus 39. Here 1 upon 9 minus 4 will give 5. So now if you are further simplifying, you will get, here we'll get 10. Here biggest number is plus, so plus. Here also biggest number is plus. So when you are minusing 30, 20, 99, 15, you will get here 1 upon 5. So let's compare them now. So a upon 10 equal to with 1 upon 5. Same way we'll compare b upon 15 equal to 1 upon 5. So when we compare, we'll get the a value, 10 will go up here. So a equal to 2 upon 1. So here 15 goes that side, goes multiplication. So we'll get 3 times, so b equal to 3 upon 1. So now a value we found out, b value found out. So we know here we have let them, right? Let a is what? 1 upon x and b is what? 1 upon y. Also let's put it now. So a equal to 1 upon x, b equal to 1 upon y. So a is what? 2 upon 1 is equal to 1 upon x. B is what? 3 upon 1 equal to 1 upon y. But we have to find out the x value and y value. That's what finding the solution. So write the reciprocal of this now. So x and reciprocal of this value of 1 upon x and 1 upon y. So when we write the reciprocal, just reciprocal means just the opposite. So 1 upon x will become x upon 1 and 2 upon 1 will become 1 upon 2. Same way, and same way 1 upon y will become y upon 1 and 3 upon 1 will become 1 upon 3. So now this x upon 1 has no value, therefore x, whether you write upon 1 or you don't write, doesn't make any difference. So you can write x equal to 1 upon 2 and y equal to 1 upon 3. That's our answer. Thank you. God bless.